Developing mental strength is a lifelong journey, but there are certain habits that can lead us down the path of mental weakness. In this article, we will explore these habits and delve into insights from Buddhism to understand how they can hinder our mental resilience. Welcome to a transformative journey of self-discovery. In today's video, we'll unravel the habits that might be making you mentally weak and discover powerful insights from Buddhism to build unshakable mental resilience. If you're ready to strengthen your mind and embrace a life of greater well-being, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Lack of mindfulness. One of the key teachings in Buddhism is mindfulness, the practice of being fully present in the moment. Failing to cultivate mindfulness can make the mind susceptible to negative thoughts and emotions, ultimately weakening mental resilience. Excessive attachment Buddhism emphasizes the impermanence of all things. Clinging too tightly to people, possessions, or circumstances can lead to suffering and mental weakness. Learning to let go is crucial for mental well-being. Resistance to change is inevitable, yet many of us resist it. Buddhism teaches that embracing impermanence allows for personal growth. Those who resist change often find themselves mentally weakened by the challenges life presents. Negative self-talk. Constant self-criticism and negative self-talk can significantly impact mental strength. Buddhism encourages self-compassion and understanding, highlighting the importance of fostering a positive inner dialogue. Comparison. Constantly comparing oneself to others is a habit that can breed insecurity and self-doubt. Buddhism promotes the idea that each individual's journey is unique, and comparing ourselves to others only perpetuates mental weakness. Avoidance of discomfort. Buddhism teaches the value of facing discomfort as a means of personal growth. Avoiding challenges or difficult emotions can lead to mental weakness, as resilience is built through confronting and overcoming adversity. Lack of gratitude. Neglecting to cultivate gratitude can leave the mind focused on what is lacking rather than appreciating what is present. Gratitude, a central theme in Buddhism, enhances mental strength by fostering a positive outlook. Dwelling on the past. Constantly revisiting past mistakes or dwelling on past events can contribute to mental weakness. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of staying present, as the past is beyond our control and dwelling on it impedes progress. Fear of failure. The fear of failure can paralyze individuals, hindering personal and professional growth. Buddhism encourages a mindset that views failures as opportunities for learning and growth rather than sources of shame or weakness. Lack of boundaries. Failing to establish healthy boundaries can lead to mental exhaustion. Buddhism teaches the importance of balancing compassion for others with self-care to maintain mental strength. Avoidance of challenges. Steering clear of challenges might seem like a way to protect oneself, but it ultimately stunts personal development. Buddhism teaches that challenges are opportunities for growth, and avoiding them hinders mental resilience. Seeking external validation. Relying solely on external validation for a sense of self-worth can make one mentally fragile. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of cultivating internal validation and self-acceptance. Unhealthy lifestyle choices. Neglecting physical health can impact mental well-being. Buddhism emphasizes the interconnectedness of the mind and body, promoting habits that nourish both for overall resilience. Fixed mindset. A fixed mindset, believing that abilities and intelligence are static, can limit personal development. Buddhism encourages a growth mindset, where challenges are seen as opportunities to learn and evolve. Bottling up emotions. Suppressing or avoiding emotions instead of addressing them can lead to mental weakness. Buddhism encourages acknowledging and understanding emotions to promote inner balance and strength. Lack of self-reflection. A lack of introspection can hinder personal growth. Buddhism advocates for regular self-reflection as a means of understanding one's thoughts and actions, fostering mental resilience. Victim mentality. Adopting a victim mentality can undermine mental strength. Buddhism emphasizes taking responsibility for one's thoughts and actions, empowering individuals to navigate life's challenges with resilience. People-pleasing, constantly seeking approval and trying to please others can lead to mental exhaustion. Buddhism encourages authenticity and staying true to oneself, fostering mental strength through self-acceptance. Inability to forgive, holding onto grudges and harboring resentment can weigh heavily on the mind. Buddhism teaches the power of forgiveness, freeing oneself from the burden of negative emotions and promoting mental resilience. Building mental resilience. Embracing imperfection. Buddhism teaches that perfection is an illusion, and accepting imperfections in ourselves and others is essential for mental well-being. Embracing imperfection fosters resilience and a healthier self-image. Developing patience. Impatience can lead to frustration and stress. Buddhism emphasizes the cultivation of patience, recognizing that things unfold in their own time. Patience contributes to mental strength by allowing space for understanding and acceptance. Cultivating loving kindness. Loving kindness, or metta in Buddhism, involves generating feelings of love and compassion for oneself and others. This practice promotes a positive mindset, counteracting habits that contribute to mental weakness. Mindful communication. Buddhism encourages mindful and compassionate communication. Developing this skill enhances relationships, reduces conflicts, and contributes to mental strength by fostering positive connections with others. Setting realistic goals. Setting achievable goals promotes a sense of accomplishment, contributing to mental resilience. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of mindful goal setting, ensuring that objectives align with one's values and capabilities. Practicing gratitude. Daily gratitude is a powerful antidote to feelings of lack or inadequacy. Integrating a daily gratitude practice into your life, as recommended in Buddhism, can significantly enhance mental strength and overall well-being. Accepting change. Rather than resisting change, Buddhism encourages acceptance. Adapting to change with an open heart cultivates mental resilience and helps individuals navigate life's uncertainties with greater ease. Mindful breathing. Conscious breathing is a central aspect of mindfulness in Buddhism. Engaging in mindful breathing exercises can calm the mind, reduce stress, and enhance mental strength by promoting a sense of inner peace. Learning from mistakes. Buddhism teaches that mistakes are opportunities for learning and growth. Embracing a mindset that views errors as stepping stones to improvement contributes to mental resilience. Developing self-compassion. Self-compassion is a cornerstone of mental strength. Buddhism encourages treating oneself with the same kindness and understanding as one would offer to a friend, fostering a positive and resilient mindset. Balancing detachment and engagement. Buddhism advocates for a balanced approach to attachment. While avoiding excessive attachment, it also encourages compassionate engagement with the world, striking a harmonious balance that supports mental resilience. Cultivating mindful eating. Incorporating mindfulness into daily activities, including eating, contributes to mental well-being. Buddhism encourages savoring each moment, fostering a deeper connection with one's experiences and promoting mental strength. Nurturing positive relationships. Building and maintaining positive relationships is crucial for mental resilience. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of supportive connections, contributing to a sense of belonging and emotional strength. Focusing on the present. Constantly worrying about the future or dwelling on the past can weaken the mind. Buddhism teaches the value of staying present, as it is in the present moment that true peace and mental strength are found. Finding purpose and meaning. A sense of purpose and meaning in life contributes to mental resilience. Buddhism encourages individuals to explore their inner values and passions, fostering a deeper connection to life's purpose. Regular meditation practice. Meditation is a cornerstone of Buddhist teachings, promoting mental clarity and emotional balance. Establishing a regular meditation practice can significantly enhance mental strength and overall well-being. Practicing generosity. Generosity, or dana in Buddhism, involves selfless giving without expecting anything in return. Engaging in acts of kindness and generosity contributes to mental strength by fostering a sense of interconnectedness with others. Seeking professional help. Buddhism acknowledges the importance of seeking help when needed. If struggling with mental health, it is essential to reach out to mental health professionals who can provide guidance and support. Engaging in acts of compassion. Acts of compassion towards oneself and others contribute to mental strength. Buddhism encourages individuals to cultivate a compassionate heart, fostering resilience and a positive outlook. Reflecting on impermanence. Continuously reflecting on the impermanence of life, a core Buddhist teaching, helps individuals approach challenges with a balanced perspective. Recognizing the transient nature of difficulties promotes mental resilience and an enduring sense of well-being. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of habits that can make you mentally weak and the wisdom of Buddhism to foster mental strength. If you found value in this video and are committed to enhancing your well-being, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our journey to a resilient mind. Remember, your small actions today can lead to significant positive changes tomorrow. See you in the next video, and until then, take care of your mind and subscribe for more transformative insights. Namaste.